Hey guys, how's it going? So, as I mentioned yesterday in my video, I have been given by Black Widow Exhausts a new exhaust for my bike to pair up with their header to see what it sounds like, to compare it to the current Scorpion with Black Widow header. So I thought I'd wash the bike first so it's nice and clean, and it's a lot cleaner than what it was. It was absolutely filthy before. Anyway, I've got a decibel meter on my phone. Not the most accurate, but it will do. Currently I'm getting about 60 decibels out here. I'm going to start the bike up, get a reading at a couple of revs, and I'll take the baffle out. Then I'll go and replace the exhaust, come back and do the comparison there. Cool, so let's get us started. So I'll just go from about here. As you can see, tick over about 74 decibels. I can only do it from here. You might be able to see that. RPM, I'm getting about 80 decibel. It's not too bad. I mean, that's at arm's length. It's not quite right behind the exhaust, but you get what I mean. Cool. So, give me a few minutes, I'll be back. I'll have wet the baffle out, hopefully, and we'll go from there. Cool. See ya. Okay, I'm back. Annoyingly, I can't get the baffle out. Apparently the easiest way is sort of push it from the other side, so what I might do, get home, remove it there, and then just do the test there to the annoyance of my neighbours. Sorry about that. It's quite annoying, but I just can't get enough grip on it to actually pull the baffle out. Don't know how RJ gets them out so quick and easy. Anyway, I will be back once I've got the new exhaust fitted or whatever, I don't know. I'll see you soon, bye. Okay guys, here we go. New one's installed. It looks pretty good with the stainless steel pipe. The stainless steel pipe is a little bit dirty. I've got some stuff to try and clean it up a little. Yeah, it looks nice. I mean, it sits a bit higher, as I said, rather than sort of straight across the back. Don't have an issue with that. I mean, to be brutally honest, I would have preferred the carbon one, but as I said, they are releasing the carbon one sort of in 2 to 3 months, I think. Just because I think the carbon black goes better with the black rather than... But I mean, it's different. It sounds good, so let's get the test on. So I've got the baffle in. I can get the baffle out of this one. Here's the decibel meter. With the baffle in, tick over about 70 decibels. Start going up a bit. 3,000, I'm getting about 73, 74. 5,000, about 78. 9,000, about 86. About 86 decibels, which is between alarm clocks and power tools. Alright, let me just get the baffle out. I have some tools over here. There we go. Nice and easy, that one. I won't put that in the bag just yet. I'm going to set fire to the bag. Right. Noise test with baffle out. Tick over 76, 77. Yeah. Cars go past. $3,082, 81, 82. 5,000. Holding there 83, 84. Nice little bang there. That's all about 89 decibels. So I mean, it's still quiet, and like I say, I am doing a noise test from an arm's length apart. Try and get a slightly better one. I hit 90 there. So yeah, sounds alright. I'm getting a few nice little pops there. I'm able to get it to go bang down the road. Anyway, that is the Black Widow silencer for the Honda CBR600F. Thanks for watching, guys. Ride safe. See you later. Bye.